Hey, tech enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the installation of RAM, or random access memory. First, discharge any static electricity from your body by using an anti-static wrist strap and connect it to a laptop charger or touch a grounded metal object. This helps prevent damage to the RAM modules. Ensure your laptop charger is plugged into a grounded wall socket. If you don't have access to either, you can proceed with caution. Choose a workspace with a non-static surface, such as a wooden or plastic table. Before we install the RAM, we have to verify motherboard compatibility, and the easiest way to do this is to visit this website's PC Builder tool. Click on the respective website and then scroll down until you see motherboard. Click on it and then on Start New Build, and if you're prompted to sign in, you can do so with your Google account. Now that you're signed in, scroll down again until you see motherboard and click on it, and then on Start New Build. In the right navigation menu, select motherboard and then choose your type of motherboard. Now select your motherboard. It'll be added to your PC Builder list. Now repeat this process for your RAM module. As you can see here, you were able to add your motherboard and RAM module. This shows that they're compatible. Now align this notch on your RAM module with the notch on your motherboard slot to ensure proper installation. If your manual doesn't specify a preference for the first module, you can usually use either A1 or B1. The labels are typically somewhere next to the RAM slots. Make sure to press down firmly on each side until it clicks to make sure the RAM module is correctly seated. And there you have it, the ins and outs of installing RAM. Lastly, make sure to reconnect all power cables and power on your computer and enter your BIOS or UEFI by pressing F2, F10, or F12 to ensure your RAM is detected. Look for a section related to system information, memory, or advanced settings. The information will include the total amount of RAM, the type, DDR4 or DDR3, etc., and the operating frequency. Following, we will exit the menu and continue to boot into Windows to verify that there are no issues. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.